Hello, it's Jason and welcome to DigiNo, the online teacher paradise. And here's what I can do for you. Help you find an online teaching job regardless of your education or nationality, and help you get the highest possible hourly rate. Teach you how to make the job as fun and easy as possible, give you all the tools for traveling the world whilst teaching online, and help you learn how to make a large passive income through teacher referrals. I created DigiNo to help people who are just like me, who are unhappy in their job, wanted to escape the 9 to 5, create an online income and see the world. If that sounds good to you, then let's get started. If you're not yet a teacher, just head to digino.org and we'll find you the perfect online teaching job. You just have to press start here. If you're already a teacher, then let's just explore the blog to help you make online teaching a paradise. So this is Jason from DigiNo. Have a good life.